Do you like it? Oh.
Simple. Put your thumb here. And then point your finger. 1, 2, 3, go.
We're back again with another video. This video is about us trying durian for the very first time.
Yeah, I know like lots of Filipinos love to eat durian, but I think we're the ones that are like exceptional because like it smells horrible. It's just.
But apparently it tastes good.
Yeah, it's like
at
one of
the
those.
same time.
It's one of those quotes where it's like it smells like hell but tastes like heaven. So we'll see if that's true or not. It's probably not true, but so we have different varieties of durian. We have candy, we have hard candy, we have gummy,
which is this one. We have a pie, bubble tea, durian,
and then last but not the least, we have the actual
fruit.
Right?
Yeah. So we're starting with this one, the candy.
Hard candy.
Hard candy, durian flavored. Yeah, durian flavored hard candy. So this is what it looks like.
It looks like this. It's so tiny. First factor, we have to smell it. See if it smells like. Oh, it smells like nothing. It doesn't smell like anything.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It smells so bad, but it tastes good. Yeah, it does.
I don't like it. I do not like that. Wait, what's your rate? What out of 10?
Out of 10, it's 7 out of 10. Like it's not that strong. It's candy.
No, yeah, but there's like an aftertaste to it.
I know, and
really
after smell.
And after smell. So I give it like probably a 2.5. Not gonna lie, 2.5.
The next thing is this durian gummy. So this is what it looks like.
We're gonna try it out and rate it.
Smell.
Wait, I smell it. Oh! That's bad. Like,
Ooh, that's bad.
It's in these thingies. It's in wrappers, but it smells horrible.
2, 3. Smell it.
Wait, no. Why is it like brown? I'm so confused. It looks
Apparently this is what it looks like.
It's so different from what it said on the packaging. Like, give it to me, sauce it. Look at the color difference between this and between this on the package. That is 2 different colors right there. I think my smelling's gone. I can't.
Okay, here. Take a bite. Bite. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Oh. There's no taste.
I think my taste buds is gone too.
There's actually nothing. Well,
yeah, this is whack.
I rate it 2 out of 10 because it's $2.
Okay, on to the next thing, the pie. So,
On to the next thing.
The pie.
The pie.
You did it wrong.
Boy!
It's a traditional handmade durian pie. Special in
its
own smell.
Ew. And rich taste in
your mouth.
Vegetarian food.
Oh, so if you're a vegetarian, then this is
we're
for
not
you.
making it up.
This is for you. It smells like cake.
No, yeah, it does. It does smell like
Like, I feel like this will taste good.
It smells very sweet compared to the other ones where it smells very disgusting.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, so
I cracked it in half to see what it is. And then
there's an
that's what
actual
it's like.
durian. There's an actual durian like filling inside.
No,
of it.
I don't think that's a durian filling though. Oh.
It is, cause this is the bread. Like this is a bread thingy, and
See,
then there's a
like-
filling in it. So I guess this
It's
is
very
durian.
like okay, whatever.
Okay,
You do
3,
one.
2, 1, go.
Like 2 weeks. I'm making a mess, dude.
This is actually yummy.
Yeah.
You can't taste the durian.
Again, whack.
On to the next thing. Bubble tea.
I love bubble tea.
On to the next thing.
Actually,
It's time to drink.
this bubble tea is pure bubble tea with no sugar.
Yes.
So it's 0%
pure.
sugar, just durian and like whatever they put in there.
Yeah. It's
So yeah.
It's pure durian, and it's real fruit. Cause other bubble tea places, they use powdered fruit and not real fruit.
Exactly.
So
No offense to everyone.
yeah, this is my dad's favorite drink, but I don't know.
I don't even know why he likes it. So.
What is that? Redo it. Hey, why are you speechless? Come on. You didn't even take a sip.
Ah!
You didn't even take a sip. Another one.
No!
Come
Well,
on.
how do you like this?
Okay, it's my turn, I guess.
How do you like this? It's so bad.
It's the best!
Ew. See, okay, watch. My dad drinks it. Now my reaction. There's an aftertaste and it tastes really
Good,
good.
actually.
It's not
It's good. It's like creamy.
No.
It's like avocado bubble tea, but it's like creamier.
Do you know?
Apparently.
Compare this to avocado.
You know what's amazing? Watch.
I'm usually the one doing that, but okay.
You know what's amazing?
What?
Rain. Anyways,
And then my dad
it tastes
drinks-
good.
No. It's so
It's time to taste the real fruit. Right here. Right there. Can you see them? Two of them? It's like this big, like literally this big. Okay. Hey, the real fruit is here. Anyways, it's time to open. Are you ready
No.
to smell the smelliest fruit in the entire world? Your mouth literally smells like you didn't toothbrush for like. Like you didn't toothbrush for like literally straight. Oh my god! Like for straight 1 week. Oh.
I can smell.
Actually, there's no smell because I think it's still in the package. Yo, it's juicy. It's so fluffy. So this is what it looks like Yeah, it's kind of squishy. It's like, it's not like slime, but like.
Isa lang labas mo.
Okay, it's not a toy.
Wait, let me compare. It's like his cheeks.
Because it's soft.
Cut it. Woo.
Anyways.
Oh.
It was at this moment he knew.
Why did you?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yo!
Dapat ka sabihin nila. Dapat ka sabihin nila, ang ito.
It smells like you!
No!
Oh my gosh. I don't know how we're gonna eat this. Okay, we'll take the smallest one. Oh, the smell.
Oh, the smell. Whoa.
Pear. Oh my god, how do you... Oh my... Okay, here's it.
Oh, that is not satisfying at all. Oh,
Whoa.
you know what that looks like?
Whoa.
Yan.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Ew. Why do you keep doing that?
Cause, like,
It
smells
actually
like you.
smells. No. It smells.
If you don't want someone to talk to you, go buy a durian and go grab a fork and just do this. For example.
Hey, Kuya. What are you doing?
See, it works.
It smells like, let's see, fart that you've been keeping in.
Yeah, her fart.
No! Your fart that you've been keeping in for probably like. My dad's telling us to just eat it. I'm probably gonna. Yeah.
Oh. Wait.
Oh, rip.
There you go.
Rip.
Go!
No.
Yeah, yes. Okay, time to chew it. You like it? You actually like it?
Oh.
I thought you
What?
knew.
Whoa.
Do you like it? Oh.
Simple. Put your tongue here. And then point your finger. 1, 2, 3, go.
So apparently there's a technique now releasing the smell.
By your tongue.
Apparently there's a
There's
my
a
dad.
technique
Yeah, my dad told me that there's a technique
to release the
smell
so
using your tongue.
and your thumbs.
Yeah.
Your tongue.
Okay, show it how.
Get ready.
See, things you need: your thumbs and your pointer finger. I think. Do it with me.
Yeah, like that.
Thumb muna.
So.
Okay,
Okay,
please.
whatever.
First step, you go like this,
Temple,
and then
and you use
you
point.
And then
You point for
point
2
like this for 2 seconds.
Then, 1. Ready, guys? Let's get more. Ready, guys?
And then after
And
this,
you point for 2 seconds, and then you fire your gun.
Then 1.
No, it's a 1, 2, 3.
It's a ball. It's very.
Yeah, like that. You should try that technique because it really helps. It really does.
It does.
Never.
Anyway, so that's it for today's video. Enjoy this video. Please hit that subscribe button and
Give
like
it a
button
big thumbs up.
and share it to your friends.
Also, if you would like to experience what we experienced,
Yeah, you can buy.
you can buy all of these, everything that we got except for the bubble tea. We bought it from TNT and it's actually
Which
pretty
is the
cheap.
Asian superstore.
In Canada so far. I don't know if they have it in. Just in conclusion, we
Yeah.
just wanted to point out that this whole video is just about like our opinion on
Yeah.
on what the fruit is.
Because
Like,
it's our first time.
we've never tried it before, like at all, and my dad
Sure.
loves it. So
Yeah.
we're curious about how it tastes like. So again, what we're just trying to point out here is that this is just our opinions.
Exactly.
Like, other people may think that this is good. Like, a lot of people really do think that this is good. But I think it's just for me, I just don't like the taste.
Yeah. Anyways,
But
we're gonna
I mean-
end the video.
I mean, you're not gonna know if you like it or not if you don't try it. So
Yeah,
please try
so
it out
go
too.
buy some durian
And durian candy and stuff. I mean, like, yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty good, but
It's good, but I
just
can't. I
don't
can't do this.
Yeah.
Like the real one. I can't do the candy and everything, but this
just
I can.
no.
But
Like-
anyways, we're gonna end the video. Thanks for watching.